Hi, good morning, everyone. It's Hey Jon. I jabber opportunities nonstop. Today is June 2nd, 2021, and we're going to see the market open right now to see what Dogecoin is doing and what is AMC doing. And so far, AMC and Dogecoin are both mooning. Thank you for joining me. And let's see what goes down today. It's going to be a great day, that's for sure. Hello, guys. Good morning. How's everyone doing? It's a little early right now, right? But you guys, I'll start covering AMC and Dogecoin in the morning. So here I am covering it right now. So, yep, Dogecoin is mooning and so is AMC. So it's pretty darn good. Currently, Dogecoin is at 42 cents. The high was 44 cents over the night when we were all resting. So this is pretty darn good in my opinion here. Pretty darn good. Good morning, good morning. Yeah, it's definitely early, that's for sure. Seriously, right? I mean, Dogecoin is doing phenomenal, honestly. I like it. 42 cents, man. It's a nice increase, right? Last night, it was, well, what was the last night again? I forgot what it was last night. I think 30, let me see. What's the last night again? Last night it was around 37 cents here, right? And now we're at 42. We saw a nice 5-cent move up for Dogecoin. That's fantastic. It is fantastic, man. I have no complaints there whatsoever. And now we're seeing AMC move up as well, right? AMC is currently at what, $38 right now, I believe? $38? Phenomenal, man. Pre-market is amazing right now for AMC and Dogecoin. Nice. Yeah. Bitcoin is also doing very well too, right? You got Bitcoin, 37,693 currently. I suspect that's why we're seeing a nice move up for Dogecoin. It's kind of, for Dogecoin, it's kind of like a double whammy here, right? Dogecoin had good news, and now Bitcoin is moving up as well. So it's kind of like a double wave for Dogecoin. Let's see if there's any news for AMC here. Oh, wow. Look at here, AMC court Reddit. Crowd again after hedge fund share deal. Okay, wow. Shares of Reddit of favorite AMC surged another 21% on Wednesday. And we're headed for a record high as a pack of individual investors behind recent gains were unfazed by the hedge fund keeping its stake in the cinema operator. Whoa, that's crazy. AMC jumps another 20% on pace to open at all-time high as investors shrug off hedge fund stock sale. Wow. That's pretty amazing, honestly. At its current pre-market price of around $30 per share, AMC is poised to open at an all-time high. That's fantastic. Let's see. Where is AMC's opening up at $37.53. GME's opening up at around $49.02. Wow, look at that. You see right there? AMC's opening up $37.69 here. And now it's kind of pulling back here, right? We're seeing a little sell-off here. I mean, wow. AMC is doing phenomenal. Holy cow. Seriously. AMC is seeing a new 52-week all-time high. Well, you know what? AMC is not seeing a 52 week. You're seeing a 5-year all-time high, or I'm sorry, 7-year all-time high. it's been years since AMC has been around this price tag, so this is amazing. Wow. Yeah, sure. Sure could be 50 bucks. Ladies and gentlemen, can we please hit the like button right now? If you can do me a huge favor here and support my channel by hitting the like button, I would really appreciate that. Because if you do that, you're saying, hey John, we appreciate you, you know, coming on and making a live stream here in the morning for us. And more importantly, we want to help you. We want to help you grow your channel here. So thank you so much. If you want to help me do that, I would really appreciate that. And of course, more importantly, make sure you subscribe and notify so when I come online, you know when I'm on. Man, AMC is doing great right now. And for perspective here, right, to see the all-time highs here, check it out, right? The last time we were anywhere around $32 here, anywhere around above 30 bucks here, right? It was literally March of 2015, and then January of 2016, and now June of 2021. It's been a long time, folks. Let's see, 7 years, 6 years. Wow, today's interesting. Even though it's pulling back a little bit, it's still bouncing up though. Yesterday, it just kind of pulled back and went all the way down. Today, we saw a quick dip, and now it's kind of bouncing off it. MM Squad says, I guess you already make profit on Doge and you don't need YouTube. Okay, well at MM Squad, okay, MM Squad, I think you should go to Elon Musk and go to Tesla and say, hey, you know what? I don't think you need any more money on Elon Musk because you're filthy rich. So please give me a free Tesla. You should go, all right, MM Squad, you should do that. I mean, that is a ridiculous comment. That makes no sense whatsoever, honestly. Wow, what is that? What is that? I don't get that. What is that? Ridiculous. Okay, AMC is still pulling back here. It's currently at 38.40. That's fantastic. Nice. AMC is doing great. I love it. Wow. The Sims must be so happy right now and pleased with themselves, as they should be. As they should be. The Wall Street Bets crowd should be very, very pleased with themselves. I mean, they've been holding for a long time, and they should be rewarded. Absolutely. Dogecoin is currently pulling back. Bitcoin is still rising though, as Dogecoin is pulling back. That's quite interesting to see. GME is still kind of flat, right? AMC is opening up at an all-time high, and it's kind of pulling back a little bit. Very nice. Okay. Let's see, Dogecoin is kind of pulling back a little bit. No problem right there.
Look, staying healthy isn't easy. Watching your diet, hitting the gym, avoiding stress. But a good night's rest helps boost your overall health and wellness. And it couldn't be easier. The news
AMC is doing great right now, honestly. AMC is doing great. The fact that they're even opening up and not doing a flash crash, they're actually maintaining it. The previous day yesterday here, right? AMC opened up and it kind of pulled back. Today, it is going up right now. Wow. I've already told you guys many times already, buying begets buying and selling begets selling here. And guess what? Today, we're seeing all-time highs and there's FOMO in the mouth. So that means tons of people from watching bets are coming in now and they're buying hand over fist. So when that happens, you're going to see You're gonna see AMC go crazy in terms of market buying here, and the buying pressure will increase, and we're gonna push the price up to the moon. This is great. This is great. So Bitcoin is also doing phenomenal, right? GME is kind of flatlining, kind of doing a little low for GME. So GME isn't doing a whole bunch right here. So the strange thing that even though Bitcoin is still coming up, however, Dogecoin is climbing down actually and doing a little pullback. That is definitely interesting right there. Okay. This is great. Great. Okay. Bitcoin's pulling back a little bit. Dogecoin also pulling back a little bit. AMC is still rising, going to a new all-time high here, 3870. It tapped it. It tapped 3870. Wow, it's still going. Man, these apes must be happy. Let me know in the chat if you're currently AMC. How happy are you right now? I'm assuming you're very happy, but. So AMC saw a little dump in the morning once the market opened. Same thing with GME. That's okay, right? That's okay. I would expect some profit taking. Should I cash out in AMC? Well, currently for AMC, it's literally at all-time high, and now AMC is doing price discovery, so nobody knows where AMC will go here, right? I mean, we saw a hedge fund selling out. That's some of the news right here, right? A hedge fund is selling out and changing their trade, so that's interesting to see. So that's pretty bullish in my opinion right there. And the fact that today for AMC, we didn't see a pullback. Instead, it started. Well, when AMC opened, it saw a quick dip and then a rise up almost immediately. So AMC is definitely exuding many bullish tendencies. And last night I was saying, you know what, AMC was looking pretty bullish as well. So I mean, they're phenomenal. And you better believe there will be tons of people FOMOing in today. But I've been telling you guys, you know, when you're at all-time highs right here, right? There is no shame in taking profits. I'm not saying take everything, but I've been saying for the past 2 days, you know, take maybe 5% here, 10% there, you know, every day, not a big deal. So you make sure you walk away with profits and you sell into strength. Because there will be tons of people buying when it's green and selling when it's green. What does that mean? It means these people are buying high and trying to sell higher. And by the way, I don't give financial advice, by the way. You can do whatever you want. I'm just sharing with you my opinions of what I would do. You don't have to do anything I say. You can just make sure, of course, you always do your own due diligence. Oh, GME is rising, okay. GME is seeing a nice spike here, okay. I think GME is getting a little, GME is getting upset at AMC, so now GME is starting to bounce right here. Wow, look at these green candlesticks here. It moved up, let me see, 247.49 to like $252 there. It moved about like maybe like $4 or $5 right here in a few minutes. Fantastic. Fantastic. Ladies and gentlemen, if you can please hit the like button so YouTube will know that you guys like what I'm doing here for you guys, and you know, YouTube will share my video with more people. So I appreciate the support. Thank you so much. No, these are 1 minute charts here. These are all 1 minute charts. If you zoom in, you can see that as well. All 1 minute charts. Okay, thank you guys for liking the video here. I appreciate that because it'll tell YouTube to share my video with more people, and you like what you're seeing, and you know what, you're supporting me, and I do appreciate it very much. So thank you so much for that. Let's see. The next resistance will be around 43.71 for Dogecoin, okay? 43.71 will be the next resistance for Dogecoin. Obviously for AMC, there is no resistance because they're at all-time highs right now. All right. For GME, the resistance will be around $277 here and 71 cents. So when GME gets around there, it may have to see a bounce off there and see what's going down. So, all right, GME is showing some poise right now. Bitcoin's next resistance will be around $40,000. At 40,833 will be the next resistance for Bitcoin. Oops. That's close enough. Hey, good morning, Ruth. How's everyone doing today? Let me draw some of these resistance for you guys. So I don't gotta keep on repeating it 10 times. That's a good idea. And of course, I will also be drawing supports as well. Okay, so the support for GME will be $136.67, and the next support will be around 181.58, and then $277 will be a resistance currently. For Bitcoin, the support will be around 31,864, and the next support will be around 34,643. And resistance will be at $40,370. And then for Dogecoin, the current support is going to be around $28. I'm sorry, 20 cents. And then the resistance will be around 43 cents right there. Of course, this is based off the 4-hour chart though. So, and then one more here also. Another support could be around 35.21 as well. Around 35.21. There you go. Whoop. There you go. There you go. 35.80. All right. Let's see here. So let's go back to the play-by-play for the minute chart to see what's going down now. And let's see AMC. Yep. AMC supports are going to be 33.15, 20.47, and 11.59. And currently AMC is at all-time highs, currently at $39.33 right now. So with that being said, I mean, it's definitely going to be interesting to see for sure. Yep. Okay. GME. I'm changing the chart to 15 minutes here so you can see the support and resistance on the screen here. It's a little easier to see, hopefully. All right. For AMC, I will leave it on a 1 minute chart because it's at current all-time highs right now. So there's literally no resistance. We don't know where it's at because we're in price discovery. So it's phenomenal. And the current support for AMC will be around 33.15 here. This is going to be incredible. Incredible. Wow. Let's see. So let's see what's going down right now. Okay, AMC is still AMC is doing a little pullback after reaching an all-time high here, but I'm not seeing any significant volume right now. So most of it was in the market open, and that's typical. That is typical. Usually, you see the market open for stocks. That's where the majority of the volume is. So. Okay, Dogecoin is pulling back a little bit. All right, Dogecoin is pulling back a little bit. Oh, you know what? Let's see, this will work too. No, it won't. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Okay. GME doing pretty well. Let's see, AMC is still doing pretty well. Okay, AMC is seeing a minor pullback right now. Let's see if AMC will test the support around 33.15 though. Let's see if that happens, right? Nobody knows, but we shall see. Do the AMC bulls have it in them, or the shorts? Are they gonna take back the reins? Who the heck knows, right? Who the heck knows? It's gonna be a good time though. By the way, who's an AMC in here in the live stream? Who's an AMC? If you're an AMC, go ahead and hit the like button. If you wanted to go to the moon, well, it's already on the moon. But if you want AMC to go to Mars, make sure you guys hit the like button. Cool. AMC still has legs. Don't forget that, okay? Don't forget, AMC still has legs, but it's gonna be a swing trade. I don't think anyone's really investing into AMC. Let's be honest here. Even if you're in Wall Street bets here, right? You're not really investing in AMC. This is more of a swing trade. Maybe after, when it's done here. So yeah, I mean, you should be surprised right now seeing AMC, if it pulls back and it pulls all the way back there. You shouldn't be surprised because you know, in my opinion here, most of the AMC, they're not investing into it because the business model kind of is not very good in my opinion currently. But it could change over time because now AMC is raising more funds, so they could potentially change the business model and it will become an investment. But for now, it's, I would say, a very, very long swing trade. So just things to be aware of, you know what I mean? And by the way, when I say this to you guys, I'm not trying to spread FUD or anything, you know? It's phenomenal that you guys are making money off of AMC. I love it. But at the same token here, let's be real here, okay? AMC is not an investment. Yep. AMC is currently at $40. Fantastic. $40 is going to be a psychological resistance. Let's see if we can do it. Oh man. Okay. Dogecoin is pulling back some here. Let's see if around 35.80 will be a support for Dogecoin. Of course, that's a pretty long bounce from 40 cents here, right? Okay, let's draw some supports here on the 1 hour perspective here. All right, I'm sorry. Let me draw some support for you guys for Dogecoin on the 1 minute chart here, and see what can potentially happen, right? Okay. All right, AMC is still rising up here. $40.32. Whoa, it's still going. Today's a different day from yesterday. Yesterday, AMC opened up and it kind of went down. It just kind of just did a lull and went down again. But today, AMC did a quick opening pullback and then it keeps on rising now. Oh man, this is a sign where you're seeing people FOMO into AMC right now, where they can't believe it, and now they're going hand over fist, buying many shares. This is great. But just be careful, folks. Just be careful, okay? Even though we can see a nice run up, it can also pull back just as hard and just as fast. I'm not trying to create FUD or anything, all right? You just need to be aware of it. Easy come, easy go. If you're new here, please subscribe. You will support the channel immensely, and I would appreciate that very much for that. Bitcoin is doing a little lull right now. It's kind of flatlining here. I'm sorry, Bitcoin on the 1 minute chart looks like a possible bull flag. So if we see some consolidation here, we can see a nice push up here. Dogecoin is pulling back to possibly around 39.85. If that happens, it may bounce off there because that's a 1 minute support right there. Let's see here. GME is showing a nice rise and a nice uptrend in the morning. AMC's at 41.35. That's fantastic. It's still going too. It's still rocking and rolling, man. Oh man, Dogecoin is doing great. They're bouncing right now. Dogecoin is bouncing again. Fantastic. It's moving on. It's moving on up again. Dogecoin is bouncing here. Let's see. Let's see here. AMC is currently showing a new all-time high. AMC's at 41.35, a new all-time high. Fantastic. Dogecoin is still bouncing, but Dogecoin is currently on a short-term downtrend right here, right? So, okay. AMC is on a short-term downtrend here, so something to be aware of here. So around 42.32, if Dogecoin can break that and go to the moon, okay? If not, if it gets rejected off of 42.32, that means it'll continue coming back down and possibly testing 39.85. All right, GME. Okay, GME is on a current uptrend on the 1 minute chart here, right? We're seeing GME show a nice uptrend here. That's pretty good. Nice uptrend. AMC is seeing a similar uptrend as well. All right, so AMC may dip to 39.34, and let's see if it'll bounce off that and continue going up here. Okay, so you can see for Bitcoin here, right, on a 1 minute chart, it did quite a bit of consolidating and it broke up above it. So let's see if 37,452 will become a support, or will it become a resistance again? So we have to wait and see, and we have to watch it pretty much. Okay, GME is breaking. GME. GME is breaking down below the upward trend line here, but it was a very steep upward trend line, so I suspect it'll break sooner rather than later here because how steep it was. Obviously it cannot maintain that the whole day, but let's see if 253.31 will be a support for a GME. Currently so far we're seeing a nice wick here, so it looks like it is becoming a support, but we have to wait and see and watch how it plays out. All right, Dogecoin is coming back down here. It is continuing the downtrend, and it's heading towards 39.85. Let's see if Dogecoin will reset there and bounce off that support. Let's see what happens though. Hopefully it does. AMC is still in an uptrend here, right? It is still going very well. Fantastic. Okay, AMC is still bouncing. Currently at $41. Okay. Okay. GME is now testing $253.31. Let's see. It's bounced off there about 3 times currently. Let's see if we can continue that bounce and go higher here. All right, GME is showing some poise and some resilience around there. That's good. That's good. That's very good to see. Okay. Bitcoin is still showing a little lull here, right? We're seeing a possible descending triangle, right? You're seeing a possible descending triangle on Bitcoin here, and usually descending triangles are very bullish in nature, so this could be very good for Bitcoin here. That means it'll use a 37,452 as a support, and it'll bounce up there multiple times and then do a crack up. Yeah, Roger, Coinbase should rally when Robinhood IPOs and creates wallets, in my opinion. Many good news should come out this month. Absolutely, I couldn't agree more. I couldn't agree more with that one. Oh, by the way, how much is Robinhood Robinhood IPO anyways? I'm kind of curious. Let me see. Let's see here. Robinhood IPO, how much is that? Let's see. Okay. They're still building a team. Okay. I thought that. Well, I know for Robinhood app they were allowing you early access to IPOs, but I forgot about it though. I didn't check it though. So. I know Robinhood is gonna IPO soon, so it's gonna be pretty cool. That is definitely gonna be a good investment in my opinion. There. I think Robinhood IPO will be a good investment in my opinion, so I may throw some money into that because I like it. So, all right, GME is bouncing off of the $253.31 support there. It's rising again. Let's see. All right. Will GME test $258.74 and break up or break back down? Will the bulls be able to take back the upward trend line, or will they get rejected and continue trading down here? Yes, yes, yes. Did I see my Twitter? No, I haven't. I have not checked my Twitter. What is it? Is it something good? What is it? Okay, okay. Jimmy's still bouncing here. AMC is going to a new all-time high at 41.84. This is great. AMC is still continuing that upward trend line, and they're just continuing rocking and rolling here, doing a nice climb up in a nice upward channel here. All right, Bitcoin is pulling back. He's setting triangle here. Let's see here. Dogecoin is still pulling back. All right. All right. Let's see here. Okay. Let's see if Dogecoin will test let's see if Dogecoin will test 39.85, and let's see if Bitcoin will test 37,453 and bounce off of it. That was a place where Bitcoin did a lot of consolidation, so that should be a bounce off point. Let's see here. Okay, okay. Jimmy is getting rejected, and now it's testing 253.31 again. AMC is seeing a little pullback here, which is normal. Okay, and now AMC is testing the upward trend line again. Let's see if we can maintain that upward trend line and continue bouncing up here. All right, all right. AMC is bouncing off the trend line. That's good. Okay, GME is breaking down the GME is breaking down the support around 253.26 there. It is breaking down below the support for GME. So GME is showing some weakness, and now GME is showing the beginning of a possible downward trend here. All right. GME is showing a new trend for a new downward trend here. All right, so let's see what's going down. All right, AMC is still doing phenomenal. AMC is trading in a channel here, right? A nice upward channel. That's good. That's good.
This year we learned technology can replace many things.
Dogecoin is now bouncing. Okay, fantastic. Okay. All right, Bitcoin is also bouncing. We're seeing a descending triangle on Bitcoin, and now Bitcoin is testing now Bitcoin is testing the descending triangle, and usually that's very bullish though. So let's see if Bitcoin can break out of this descending triangle and start a new bull run. Let's go, baby. Let's go. All right, Bitcoin is testing the upward part of the Bitcoin is testing the upward portion of the downward channel, and now it's breaking out. Yes, Bitcoin is breaking out. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's do the thing. Let's do the thing. Let's see here. AMC is showing a nice bounce off of the upward trend line. All right, let's see if it can continue though. Let's see if it can continue. AMC opened at about $37, or you know what? I would say AMC opened about 36 bucks, and now it's currently at $41. So that's about what, a $5 difference. That's pretty good. That is pretty good for about 30 minutes of work. All right, GME is breaking down below the support. Okay, around 252.31. It's breaking down below there. And now it's rocking back down here. Will it test 245.59? We don't know, but we have to wait and see. Currently, GME is in a downward channel. I'm sorry. Currently, GME has a downward trend right now. It's evident by my red line there. You can tell. All right, for Bitcoin, it tried to break out of the descending triangle and it got rejected. Let's see. Okay, AMC is testing the AMC is definitely testing the upper portion. AMC is testing the upward trend here, and it's really testing it. It's riding it like to the T here. Let's see if we break up or break down. Hopefully AMC continues the upward trend here. But if not, this just tells me the bulls are selling out right now, and that's okay. You may see a pullback. That shouldn't be an issue. I mean, think about that. Yesterday it was like $33, and now we're at $40 right now. So if you see a pullback, that's totally healthy and totally normal. And currently, I always say to folks, when you are in current all-time highs, there is no shame in taking gains. When I say that, I don't mean sell everything. I mean take some profit, right? I don't give financial advice. I don't give financial advice. I'm just sharing with you guys what I would do. Okay. AMC is breaking down below the upward portion of the trend line now, okay? So we're seeing that happen right now. AMC is breaking down below the upward trend line. Let's see if they can take it back, or we will continue down to about 33.15, where that'll be a support for AMC. Okay, Bitcoin is testing the upper portion of the downward descending triangle right now, right? Let's see if Bitcoin can break out of that descending triangle and rocket back up and make a new bull run here. Usually when you see a descending triangle, it's very, very bullish in nature. But however, the long term for Bitcoin is currently bearish because of the long-term trend here. So it shouldn't be a surprise that we're seeing headwinds for Bitcoin. As I always say, the trend's your friend, and currently the trend is a little bearish there. So it shouldn't be too surprising if we see lots of resistance and headwind. All right, GME is still trending down here. Okay, GME is still trending down. Let's see if they can come back up to the 253.31 resistance and make it back into support. Let's see what happens, folks. Let's see. All right, AMC is testing the upward portion line now. It's kind of testing it right now. Let's see if it'll become a resistance and can take it back and continue the upward trend, or will it get rejected and come back down? Time will tell. Let's see here. I'm seeing another support / resistance at around 39.30. All right. 39.30 can be a temporary support. Let's see if it'll continue that though. All right, GME is trending down. It looks like it want to test 245.59 over time. Let's see though. All right, GME is still in a downward trend. Let's see here. AMC AMC was in an upper trend, and now it broke down below the upper trend line, and now it's going towards 39.30, which is a possible support. As you know, we are currently in all-time highs, so these supports are very temporary in nature. Okay, Bitcoin is still on the still in a descending triangle, and Bitcoin has tried for the past few minutes here to break out of it and to continue a nice new bull cycle, but we shall see and see what happens. GME is still breaking down, and GME is breaking down hard right here, right? We're seeing lots of selling here. Let's see if 245.59 will become a support, or will GME just go through it like butter? AMC is heading towards 39.30. All right, let's see if 39.30 will be a support here, and hopefully it bounces off it and continues the nice uptrend. Dogecoin is bouncing a little bit here, right? But around 42, I'm sorry, around 42.21 is gonna be, it's gonna be a resistance, because currently for Dogecoin is on a current short-term downtrend. If it can break past that, then we can see a nice Dogecoin bull run. Okay, AMC is now testing 39.30. Let's see if the support holds or will it break down. Let's see. GME is still pulling back. All right, GME is still pulling back right now, and they're showing a little bounce right here. But it'll probably be weak. It'll probably continue going down, in my opinion here. Okay, Bitcoin is still testing that upward portion of the descending triangle. Let's see if we can do it. All right, AMC is now bouncing off of 39.30, showing a nice green candlestick. So, so the bulls, the day traders must be watching my stream here, and they're coming in to buy some AMC, because they want to do a quick trade. GME is still showing weakness here and pulling back to 245.59. Dogecoin is still bouncing here, continuing towards 42.21. Let's see if that will become a support or a resistance. 7-Eleven, good morning, bro. Can you help me out with something? If I were to buy stocks and options and the price of AMC goes up, would I make more money on options? Well, options are pretty much black and white. Options are black and white for the most part. You have a certain kind of date, so you can buy so you can buy an option up to a day, a week, a month, a few hours, up to you. But usually with options, it's black and white. Either you make it all or you make nothing. So I would say stay away from options, okay? If you don't know what you're doing, stay away from options, because it's a derivative and it's pretty much black and white. It's like roulette. It's black and red. Either you make it or you don't make it. There's no in between. Yes, you could make more money with options, but you could also lose exponentially more as well. In my opinion, I would say stick with stocks. That's easier. I think stocks is a better option, because I'm sorry. I think stocks are the better play than options, because options is literally gambling, and usually folks who use options, right, traditionally speaking, they use that for insurance. They don't use it to trade with though. But we're seeing a new generation coming in, and they use options as a trading vehicle. So you can lose a lot and you can gain a lot. So just keep that in mind. Okay, yes sir. Bitcoin and Dogecoin. Bitcoin has broken out of the descending triangle, and now it's seeing a nice green candlestick, and now we're breaking up, baby. That's fantastic. Dogecoin is also rising as well. AMC is testing the support at around 39.30 here, and it's hugging it. So if AMC hugs the support, if AMC hugs the 39.30 support for a long time, it may break down below it, because usually if you hug it too much, that means you are seeing smaller and smaller bounces, and usually that means you're going to break down here The GME is around 245.59. It's still trading down here, but with GME, I am seeing a nice cup action here. So GME could be consolidating for the next move up here. All right, Bitcoin is still rising. We're seeing a nice possible new bull run here. And guess what? If Bitcoin has a bull run, Dogecoin will also have a bull run. Okay, Dogecoin is going to test about 42.16 soon, okay? Let's see if Dogecoin can break down. Oh, I'm sorry. Let's see if Dogecoin can break through the downward trend here. Okay, AMC is still testing that 32.30 here, so, and they're hugging it right now and doing some consolidation. But the more they, but in my opinion, the more and more AMC hugs that 32.30 support, I'm sorry, 39.30 support, it may break down though. So just something to be aware of. GME is kind of showing some consolidation. I'm seeing a little U pattern, so it looks like it wants to rise again. So this could be the GME dip, and this could be the rip coming soon for you guys. Okay. Dogecoin is getting very close to that downward trend line. Let's see if we can break through it, baby. Let's go. Okay, let's see. All right. All right, let's see. Okay. AMC is currently at 40 bucks.
This year we learned technology can replace many things.
Okay, GME is now bouncing up here.
For a hug.
Nice. GME is showing some poise. It's going to bounce up. I like that. Bitcoin will continue to rise here. It'll continue the bull run. I like that so far. Very good. Very, very good to see that. Dogecoin is testing the 42.16 downward trend line, and it got rejected the first time. Let's see if we can continue and break forward and break out of it. All right, this is good. Real good here. Wow. Bitcoin is continuing it. Bitcoin is continuing the rise up here. We're seeing a nice move up here. This is great. Nope, this is me using WEBULL. This is WEBULL. If you want to give WEBULL a try here, in my pinned message here, if you deposit 100 bucks with WEBULL, you will get 2 free stocks, and you will get this type of chart from WEBULL. Nice. Okay. We're still seeing some rejection for Dogecoin around 42.16 there. But Dogecoin is rising up and is testing that downward trend there. So let's see if we can break through it. GME is showing some poise. I told you that a few minutes ago, GME is showing some nice bullish intentions here, and now GME is rising. Fantastic. AMC is around $40 here, and it's bouncing off of the 39.30 support, and it's still rising up here. Okay, that's fantastic. Let's see if AMC can test 42.81 and break up above it and continue the AMC bull run in the upward trend line. All right, Dogecoin got rejected. Dogecoin is showing some weakness right here, right? It got rejected off of the downward trend line. Bitcoin is still continuing up. It broke out of the descending triangle. Let's see how far Bitcoin can run though. The GME is still showing some poise here. I like that. It's pretty good. It is still showing some poise. Let me go ahead and extend the downward channel though. Here we go. So when I extended the GME downward trend line here, GME literally tested a trend line and got rejected off of it. So that means it's still going to be heading towards 245.59, and that could be a long, well, and 245.59 could be a support. All right. Okay. So we're seeing both Bitcoin and Dogecoin kind of doing a little pullback here. But the difference is that Bitcoin is seeing a breakout for the ascending triangle, which is very bullish, and Dogecoin is seeing a rejection from a downward trend line. So different TA, right? Okay. GME is rising again. GME is trying to test that downward trend line here, and let's see if it'll break out of it. If it breaks out of it, let's see if we can test 253.31. All right, AMC is kind of a low right now. That's okay too, because currently AMC is an all-time high. So you see a low, that means you're gonna see some consolidation for the possible next move up. So that's a good thing right there. Kenneth says, "Thank you, John, for coming on so early. Love watching your analysis." You're very welcome, Kenneth. I appreciate the love, brother. By the way, for new folks here, please make sure you guys subscribe and notify. So when I come online, you guys know what's going down, where you get live TA. And of course, if you don't, if you can please hit the like button so you can share my video with more people. So you can tell YouTube, you know what? I like what Hey Jon is doing here. He's doing a good job. So please, YouTube, share his video with more people, because I want to support Hey Jon. So thank you so much, guys, for coming on and watching, and thank you guys for liking and subscribing and notifying. I appreciate you all very much. It is my pleasure to do this for you guys. Okay. So GME is getting so GME broke out of the so GME broke out of the downward channel here. I'm sorry. So GME broke out of the downward trend here, and it kind of pulled back almost immediately right now. So that's pretty interesting to see. Let's see if GME can use this downward trend line as a support and bounce back up though. So this could be a good thing. This could be the beginnings of a possible new bull run here. Bitcoin is showing a little U here. That's pretty good. So that means we could possibly do a quick consolidation and a move up for Bitcoin. To me, that looks pretty bullish right there. AMC is still showing a little low, and currently at 39.30 right there. It's still a support, and AMC has bounced off of it for some time now. It's currently at about $40.76 here. So this could be a very, very good thing. Fantastic. GME is bouncing off of the downward trend line. So this could mean that we are done with the trend line, and we could start a new possible bull cycle for the GME here, folks. Fantastic. But 253.31 will be a resistance, so we definitely have to watch it and see what's going on. Brian Walker says, yes, thanks for coming on in the mornings now. So helpful. Okay. I'm glad it's helpful for you guys. I am glad. Let's see here. Okay, GME is still pulling back, and it's doing some consolidation right now. That's pretty cool. Let's see, AMC is still doing a nice move up here. A little consolidation. That's to be expected right there. Bitcoin is doing a nice U and it's still continuing up. I like that. I like that. Let's go, let's go, let's go. All right, Bitcoin is rising. Bitcoin is seeing a nice stick here. Yes. This is what you want to see. Bitcoin rising like this. Yes, yes. This is phenomenal. Bitcoin doing a new bull run. I like it. Let's go, baby. Let's go, let's go. Let's do this thing. All right, GME is also showing some bullish intention right now. All right, bouncing off of the downward trend line. All right, Dogecoin looks like it wants to test. Dogecoin looks like it wants to test 4207, and that's going to be the downward trend line. Let's see if we can break through it. Let's see here. Okay. All right. Bitcoin and GME are both showing some bullish intentions. Dogecoin still needs to break down through the downward trend here. All right. Bitcoin is currently at about $37,866 here, and they're seeing a little wicks here, so we're seeing a little sell here, but I still think it's more bullish and bearish. GME is showing a little bit of weakness here. Let's see if it'll pull back to the downward trend line and bounce off of it again. AMC is still consolidating. All right. Dogecoin wants to break out of this descending Dogecoin wants to break out of this descending channel here. Well, let's see if it can do it though. Nice, nice. Bitcoin is still rising. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I said a few minutes ago, Bitcoin is looking more bullish and bearish here. Let's go, let's go. Bitcoin is going. Yes, sir, yes, sir. I like that, I like that. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. All right, Bitcoin is still going. Let's see if Dogecoin can break that 42 cents downward trend line and continue and start a new Dogecoin bull run. AMC is still consolidating and it's kind of trending down towards 39.30. Let's see if it'll become a support again. GME is also showing a little weakness here. Let's see if GME will back test this. Let's see if GME will back test this downward trend in here and bounce off of it again. If it does, this could be a potential bull sign. Roger says punch the bears. That's a good idea. That's a good idea. All right. Let's see here. Bitcoin is still, so Bitcoin broke out of the descending triangle and starting a new bull run here. Dogecoin is tapping the downward trend on here. Let's see if we can break out of it. GME is showing some poise, and GME didn't want to back test that downward trend line. It is just continuing up. That's very good here. AMC is currently at $40.65 here, and it's still doing some consolidation in a little low. Not to be expected, right? Because yesterday it was at what? Yesterday it was at what, $30, and now it's like $40 right now. So you're seeing about a $7 appreciation overnight. So as you know, the fact that we aren't pulling back is phenomenal for AMC. Yesterday it pulled back almost immediately and trended down the whole day, but today is a different day. We're seeing folks come in and they're buying it like crazy. That's very good. Let's see here. Aria Moreno says, John, thank you for your Mandingo like John, thank you for your Mandingo like dedication. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. I am very dedicated to you guys. For sure. Okay. Let's see. Bitcoin is showing a little top here around 37,962, a little top, a little rejection. All right, Dogecoin is showing a similar thing where we're testing the 42 cent.
Many things, but we also learned there is no.
Where you see the 42 cent
when you fly again,
downward trend line, and it looks like Dogecoin might get it looks like Dogecoin might get rejected again.
Your flight today on KLM.com.
All right, GME is showing a little low. AMC is showing a little low as well. Let's see here. Okay. GME is showing a little pullback right now. We're seeing a few reactions in GME. AMC is still showing a low. The Dogecoin is testing the downward trend line. Let's see if we can break out of it though and continue to rise up, or will we continue backing down here? Let's see. Dogecoin has tested this downward trend line once, twice, 3, 4, 5, about 7 times now. 7 times. Okay. Dogecoin needs to break out of this downward trend line here. If not, it'll see a hard rejection, because 7 times we've tested it, so it better break out of it sooner rather than later here. Bitcoin is still consolidating and moving up, so that's phenomenal. Okay, GME is back testing now. All right, GME is pulling back. Let's see if it'll back test this downward trend line and make it into support, or we'll break down into it and make it into a resistance again. AMC is also pulling back currently. AMC is also pulling back, and it looks like it wants to test 39.30 support as well. Okay. Bitcoin is still rising. Like it. Yes. Bitcoin is continuing the bull run up here in a bull channel. Dogecoin has officially broken through the downward trend line. The only question now is, will it maintain it, and how far will it go? That is phenomenal. The Dogecoin resistance will be around 43.69. This is great. Okay. Okay. GME is testing it right now. GME is testing that downward trend line right now. All right, GME. All right. GME is testing that downward trend line right now. Let's see if it'll bounce off of it, or will it go through it like butter and make it into a resistance again? Okay, AMC is testing 39.30 right now, the support. Bitcoin is still continuing to rise and continuing to rock and roll. Okay, let's see. Okay, fantastic. GME is showing some life now. Once we got near the downward trend line, GME started to bounce. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. I like that. Bitcoin is still continuing to rise up here. Bitcoin is doing phenomenal. Look at that green candlestick. Whoa, someone is giving Bitcoin a blue pill and it's rising up. I like it very much. AMC is also bouncing as well. For AMC, it definitely needs to do this though. Let's see here. AMC needs to break 41.17 or it will become another rejection, and that wouldn't be too good in my opinion here. All right, GME is bouncing off of the downward trend line. Let's see if we can go higher here, okay? So GME needs to break 251.57. If not, it could be another bearish sign for GME. All right, so Bitcoin saw a rejection around $38,000. And saw a little wick there, a little rejection. That's okay. It happens every now and then. That happens. That's very normal. Okay. Dogecoin is breaking out. Let's see how far we can go. Can Dogecoin reach 43.69? All right. GME is showing some poise right now. AMC is also showing some poise. That's pretty cool. All right, so AMC is currently in a channel right now. AMC is currently in a channel and is testing the 39.30. Actually broke through this. AMC actually broke through the 39.30 support momentarily, and then it got bought up almost immediately here. But now AMC is showing some weakness. That's no bueno. That means the bulls are selling. We're seeing GME sell as well. Okay, so GME is testing that downward trend again. Oh man, this is getting intense. Okay. Let's see here. So Dogecoin is pulling back as well, and Dogecoin is pulling back to the downward trend line around 42 cents there. Let's see what happens there. Let's see what happens. Okay, GME is testing it again. Wow. Okay, AMC is showing weakness now. It has broke down below the 39.30 support, but of course it's very temporary in nature, these supports, because you're at all-time highs and there are no real supports here. That's kind of why I'm using the 1 minute chart to give us an idea, a gauge of what is going on. Let's see here. The next support for AMC will be around 35.60. I'm not sure if you guys and gals are seeing the pattern here, but for AMC the past 2 or 3 days now right here, right? For AMC, every pre-market and after-market, it runs up like crazy, all right? On a pre-market and after-market for AMC for the past 2 days, it runs up like crazy, and then when the market opens, it kind of sells off and does a low for the rest of the day, and then midday it kind of rises up again. So we may see a similar action happen today as well. Okay, so Jimmy back tested the downward trend line and bounced off it and continued going up here. That's good. That's good. Let's see if we can continue consolidating there. Let's see if we can continue consolidating there to make a nice move up. All right. AMC is retesting the 3930 support, and it wants to take it back. Let's see if we can do it though. Okay. Okay, well, ladies and gentlemen, it was fun. Thank you for joining me today for the market open. I will be making another video today as well, a live one as well. So please make sure you guys, if you want to catch me live, make sure you subscribe and notify. So I go live, you can come on and get the technical analysis. So I'll see you all later in the evening today. Take care and have a good day. And of course, most importantly, do only good every day.